Alright, Dave Snyder here. It is the 28th, or not the 28th, I keep saying the 28th, 24th of September 2015. Okay, so this keeps getting better and better as I go. So this is a picture of the Illuminati clock or whatever, and it's got the Alpha and Omega and the Omega Alpha, right? Now, I don't know, let me just show you this first. This could be, this is the way they may have seen it on the moon, the alpha and omega. This would be the alpha. This is definitely an A, and it definitely is the alpha. This is the alpha. Okay, that's for sure. You can see it in this picture. They got it centered, dead centered in this picture right here. Look, this is this is it. I mean, you see where Thailand is. This would be omega right here. What I'm showing is, but basically it's got the alpha dead center right here. I mean, I got to zoom in to show it to you, but this you can see this is Asia, and that's where the Philippines are, and it's right there. You can barely see it, but the other one, I go back. The other one, there's another picture down here. Okay, this one shows Asia, and the other one shows North America, the Pacific blob, alpha, omega. An omega would be right there, and an alpha would be the alpha. I don't know, but this one's definitely showing the omega up here. The Pacific blob that I've been showing lately. I mean, it's the same circle that's all over the place. So that's definitely an O. It's a big circular shape, and it shows the Gulf of Alaska clearly, and you know that's what they're talking about. You know that's what that is. That is absolutely what they're talking about in this picture. That's what this represents right here. You can see something going on right there. Look at that. They're showing like, and we've seen it there. That's definitely an omega right there. Look, this is an omega, and this is a, and up here we know there's an alpha up here. I just proved that. I mean, just showed that the other day. The alpha in the pyramid up in North America, up in Canada. The pyramid. That's where this all started, basically. And it just one thing led to another. But you can see an omega right there. And I just showed you that the other day in a video. The perfect circle that goes right there, and this right here is showing itself right there. That circle comes from that right there. So there's an omega alpha. Omega alpha. See that? Omega alpha. This one is definitely an omega alpha. If you're to consider that an O or this an O or whatever, this would be the alpha omega, I guess. I don't know what this one. I can't figure this one out. But it's also got a Mayan calendar, which they have upside down in this picture. Mayan calendar and some kind of planets with moons being the same size as the. This is probably the Earth. If that's the moon, that's about the right size. Mayan calendar right side up. And it's got all these little emblem symbols here. I don't know. Let's see, what's this? 9? 11. That's 11. This is 9, right? 9/11. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. 9/11. What the fuck? Who made this clock? The Illuminati clock. Unbelievable. But that's pretty smart. I mean, that takes whoever made this knows. They know. I mean, they absolutely know what's up. I mean, not a lot of people know about that. I don't think. You know, the omega and all this stuff. I mean, I guess a lot of people probably do. But there's Asia, and then this one's North America for sure. Why they got two sides of this, I don't know. But this omega alpha, alpha omega is this one. Both of those ones are like the same. It looks like. And this has got the same things on it, but this is North America, and that one there is Asia. Kind of strange how they got all those sides. I don't know how many sides this thing. 3. What's this say? Something behind it. Maybe it's the world is it. I think it's the pyramid behind that wheel. I think it's the pyramid. There's a pyramid behind that. Behind the wheel. I think the moon sees it. If you're looking from the moon's point of view, which would be this one, you would see the Omega Alpha. It would be backwards. Unless you're looking at the picture that I just showed you, which would be Omega Alpha, right? Or, but I think that it's actually the other picture that I've been showing you. This one here. I think it's this is Alpha Omega. I think this is the O right here. That goes with this right here. I think this is the Alpha Omega, and let's see, that would be the moon's point of view. Would be maybe it's the other way around. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it all out. But that clock is kind of cool because I mean, it definitely has the Omega right there. Let's see. Does it show that other side again? No. But anyways, I thought that was interesting, and I just wanted to point out the other option being, you know, this area right here, Alpha Omega, Alpha Omega. If I was to take that away, you can see better, I guess. Oh, this would be Omega. If they're showing the one with the circular pattern that I showed you the other day, which is, I don't know, probably up here by now. Right there. Omega. And it's not full circle like the Ohm, you know, Omega. That's it right there. That's it. And then there's Alpha right there. Damn. Omega Alpha. That's why they show the North America as Omega Alpha. OA. In that picture I just showed you. Right here. Here's North America. Omega Alpha. Right? And this shit, Alpha Omega, I don't know, I think there's a pyramid or something behind it, or the Sphinx or something, I don't know. Or the moon, maybe, I don't know. It's hard to see, you can't see through there, I don't know, someone's got to figure that out. Something to that. Maybe it's Schrodinger, maybe Schrodinger represents Schrodinger or something, I don't know. We'll figure it out eventually. But I think that's a pretty neat clock. The way that it's got, I mean, it goes together. I've just been, with these eyes and everything, I just pointed that out just earlier. You know, so when I seen this, I was like, oh my goodness. The Alpha, Omega, and the eye together. And I think my search was Alpha, Omega, Pyramid was what I was searching for. So it's got the pyramid, must be in there somewhere. So anyways, that's pretty interesting, I think. Omega Alpha. Omega Alpha. Very interesting. Have a good night.